lagi. Day before Newpie, they disconnect ATMs as well. So you cannot do any operations from here, not withdrawing, not transferring, anything. So I'm trying to take some money before the Newpie starts. Lucky to get it. Tomorrow we'll be sitting at home quietly, but today we have a chance to dive. And that's what we're going to do. Today I'm going to teach one open water diver course. The episode for tomorrow I already prepared yesterday. So I'm fully prepared. You will have your episode and I will have a day off finally in 7 months. In 7 months, one day off when I'm not editing any videos. So tomorrow morning 6 a.m. it's closed, silent day, and one of the challenges is also what to eat during this time, so you have to prepare really. So we buying some bread and we bought already veggies yesterday, so we are, and fish as well, so we are fully prepared. Almost all the places closed. There's ceremonies starting. Usually all these ceremonies is done in all the conjunctions. It's actually conjunction, any teaching conjunction or any conjunction in Bali, it's a special place. It's a place, it's the same like in your life. There's always this question to go to the right or to the left, or maybe go straight. And that's the same thing is also in Hindu religion, that the conjunction is always the choice. Where you're gonna go, what are you gonna do? Are you going to keep going, or you're gonna stay here and do nothing? Yeah, so we are fully prepared for tomorrow. I think the Nyepi is a beautiful tradition. It's a beautiful tradition all the world should follow. Because this is a day, it's a silence day. You can stay at home, think about your things, or maybe just relax, meditate if you do. If not, just read a book, think about the most important things. That's the time to stop and think about what is important in your life, because in an everyday rush we sometimes forget to do it, and then we just going and going, and it's so important to stop, think, and only then act, like we teach in any diver course. Nyepi definitely is a special time in my life, because when I arrived here, it was exactly in the beginning of the March. I stayed 1 week in Sanur, then I moved for another week in Gillies, and then when I arrived here in Ahmed, there was exactly Nyepi. That was an epic mistake I did, but that epic mistake actually changed all my life, because maybe in that point I would end up somewhere else. Maybe I would go to Sanur, and now I will live there and will have a job there, or maybe I would be in Lembongan, who knows. But the Nyepi was the reason why I stuck in here in Ahmed, and I stuck in my room for 2 days, and I was completely lost in that moment, because I was in Philippines. A lot of people know me, but here no one. So I was zero for all the dive centers here. And that one day, what I stuck in my hotel's room, that gave me a chance to think about what's next. And that was a time when I did this decision to start doing IDCs here in Ahmed. That's why I am who I am, and that's what I do. That's the thing, and I'm actually happy I'm here in Ahmed. I'm super happy. Thank you, Nyepi, for this amazing opportunity to be here. It will be a 4th Nyepi now, and 4 cycles I've been here. We have no internet in this day, so like I said already before, so enjoy this episode. We will enjoy the silent day, and that's actually, this silent day is really serious. The Nyepi is not a voluntary thing. Everybody's really following this tradition, and you can get in a big trouble if you don't. So if you're in Bali during the silent day, don't even try to get out on the street, because it's prohibited. It's really serious. Please don't do it. You can get a fine, or even if you will not be happy about that you can even get deported. The people take really serious this tradition. Let me see. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, follow, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.